Hi, it's Shane from LePage Plant Healthcare. I want to talk about trees that are planted too deep, which is a very common problem, especially with commercial landscapers who plant ball and burlap trees. What happens is the tree will start to die back from the tips, won't establish properly, and certainly won't become vigorous. So this is an American elm that was planted a few years ago, and it hasn't grown at all since it was planted. You see down here, it was planted way too deep. How can I tell? Because there's no flare at the base of the trunk, and that flare is probably a good 6 inches down. So what's happening is, because the tree is being suffocated and the roots aren't getting the oxygen and stuff they need, we see this tree dying back from the tips and slowly declining. So this elm was planted around the same time. It's actually doing much better, and you can see the obvious flare or the bulging at the base. That's a sign that the roots are actually going out into the environment. So the best thing to do with this is to plant it properly, plant it at grade, so that the tree can get the nutrients and the oxygen that it needs.